Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, there is a continuous upside we have seen after making a low of $68, and there is a higher, and as we have seen, it has touched a level of $82, and chances can be high if it keeps sustaining above that level, it will cross a level of around $83, and if started going above that particular zone, we will see a further upside movement and can go towards 83.4 to a level of $84.7. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that particular zone, a further upside we can see. Look at this particular trend, chances are very high that it can go further upside because there is a clear pattern forming towards this particular zone, and there is already a zone breakout we have seen because this level we have seen in October of 2023. So chances can be high that if started going above a level of around 83 also, we will see that this level we have seen in around November. So probability of going further upside we can see because there is a breakout after around 5 months. Okay, now as soon as started going up this level, this clear pattern shows that there is a probability of going towards 89 and a probability of touching a level of 95 will be there, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but if started moving below a level of around $72, then this trend will support this particular downside. If it started going below 75 also, probability of touching 72 will be there and it will move below a level of $70. Okay, and then a further low we can see. Okay, now looking at this particular overall trend, probability of further upside is there, but once started going below a level of $77, chance of moving further down will be there. If you look at the dollar index also, you will see that from 2 days there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the side. Okay, which shows that there is inverse relation between, see, if any country is ordering a natural gas, crude, anything, then they have to pay this amount of dollar. Okay, when the price of dollar index increases, the dollar price increases, so there is an import and export disbalance will be there. Okay, the demand and supply changes, that is where the price, they are inversely related. So if the price of dollar index move, we have seen the gold price move upside, but if started going above this level, that means dollar index move upside, we have seen a gold price and natural gas price or crude price moves down. These are inversely related, but other factors are also responsible, so don't think that it is 100%. So probability is high started going above that level. So if the price started going above level of 104.5, a further upside movement we can see. In the dollar index, we will see that the gold price, the crude price will move further down. Okay, but if the price started below a level of around 103.8, then a further downfall we can see in the price of dollar index. So then we can see the price of gold and crude can move further upside. Okay, two patterns are already explained you. Okay, so chances can be higher on that particular zone. Now if you look at the crude price, you will see that suppose if the price, so before I move ahead and explain you where the crude price can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $82.27. Okay, once the price started going up this level, it will cross a level of around 82.5. This 82.5 is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around 83. Keep that in mind that once the price started sustaining above a level of $83, we will see it will go further high and a probability of going towards 83.5 we can see, and from there, see 83.5, this pattern is supporting this particular trend 83.5, so chances are higher it will move above that level and it will touch a level of $84.8. Okay, and chances are high that it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of 85.5. 85.5 is a resistance, so if the price started moving above that level, a further upside we can see. So chances of going towards a level of 87 will be there, and from there a level of 88. Okay, and if the price keep up sustaining above a level of 88, it will go towards further high and it can touch a level of around $89.8. From there a level of 90.17. Okay, and once the price started moving below a level of 90.17, above that level, a further high towards 92.37 we can see, and it will cross a level of around $94.37 and a further upside we can see. Okay, now look at this particular trend, what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, always remember market is always uncertain, so always try to set your SL and always try to trail your SL. These two things you have to do. or if you are doing those two things, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 81.69, and if started moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards 80.8. Suppose if the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards $80.4, and from there a further fall we can see towards $79.12. If the price keep moving below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $77. Okay, and if that level move further down, a further fall we can see towards a level of 76.19. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below 76.19, a further fall we can see towards $74, and from there a further fall we can see towards $71.69. Okay, and if the price keep moving below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards 69.39. Keep it in mind that once the price started falling below 76, a further downfall we can see, and a probability of going towards 69 and then to a level of $67.68. Okay, and chances are high that it will go below a level of 66 and then to a level of $64.14. Okay, and if we can see a further downfall in the price of crude, chances can be high that we can see a further downfall in the price of crude. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me if you have any doubts. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you